heart. He's very true to himself and he's a very honest person.
Welcome to Wonderland, we've got it all. Potions and pastries that make you grow tall. Forests and cottages, castles and carts that can talk. Welcome to Wonderland, look where you're at. Maddest
really
of hatters, the
excited,
Cheshire
I'm
Cat.
so happy for her that she
Magical
finally found the
cabins
one
and lovely
for
white
her,
rabbits
and
with
Zintu
claws.
is a really great guy.
Dancing through a dream underneath the stars, laughing till the morning comes. Everyone that leaves has a heavy heart. Oh, Wonderland, Island. Welcome to Wonderland, I'll be your guide, holding your hand under sapphire skies. Let's go exploring, or we could just go for a walk. Welcome to Wonderland, where should we go? There's a tea party alone down the road. Make an appearance and maybe they'll sing us a song. Dancing through a dream underneath everyone that leaves has a heavy heart. Oh, Wonderland. Nothing around here is quite as it seems. Not sure if anything's real or a dream. And the only thing sure from the start is the song that's inside of your heart. Don't let it leave. If this was a dream, then at least I got memories for when morning comes. I must leave with a heavy heart.
ഹേതാലോലം തുമ്പിപ്പെണ്ണാളെ ഈ മുല്ലക്കൊമ്പേലാടാനായി നീയും കൂടാമോ? ഹേതാലോലം തുമ്പിപ്പെണ്ണാളെ ഈ മുല്ലക്കൊമ്പേലാടാനായി നീയും കൂടാമോ? കാതോരം കന്നിക്കുറുമ്പേ മൂവന്തിത്തേരിൽ പാടാനായി നീയും പോരാമോ? കണ്ണാടി കണ്ണിൽ ഒരു മിന്നാരം കണ്ടേ സിന്ദൂരച്ചേലോടെ പോരു പെണ്ണാളെ മുബാരക് ढोल उठाओ रे കാത്തിരുന്നതല്ലേ കാത്തുവെച്ചതല്ലേ കാത്തിരുന്നതല്ലേ കാത്തുവെച്ചതല്ലേ ഓർത്തു വന്നതല്ലേ
Match made in heaven. God bless you all. A word I would say is Sindhu is very understanding.
Sindhu is very loving, he's very respectful, and he's very compassionate. And I love him so much.
He's not shy. I mean, he just got into my kitchen and said, Katie, when are you going to take the neck? This is the first time he came to my home. And that's him.
It's like he loves mustard and I hope he loves Christina the same way.
I must leave with a heavy heart of wonderland. I love